Do you wake up with a sore jaw or headache? Teeth grinding can result in many different symptoms, but the two biggest ones are headaches and sore jaws. Waking up routinely with a headache paired with a sore jaw can easily be correlated to teeth grinding. When you grind your teeth, the muscles of your jaw are constantly clenching. After time, they begin to wear down and tire out. These muscles then become sore, and the resulting pain can radiate into your head around your temples, giving you a morning headache. An overworked jaw and a headache is a big tip when figuring out if you grind your teeth at night. Did you know that with enough grinding, your teeth can become worn down and damaged? Even parts of your tooth can become eroded away, exposing nerves. When this happens, eating and drinking can become a difficult necessity for teeth grinders. People who grind their teeth are often sensitive to hot or cold foods because of the nerves that are exposed. These symptoms typically come after years of teeth grinding and will be very costly to repair from a dentist. It's one of the more painful ways of how to know if you grind your teeth at night. The type of pain comes with years of grinding your teeth together without any protection. A third sign of how to know if you grind your teeth at night are to listen for the sounds of grinding. If you sleep with a partner, they may be able to hear small clicking or popping noises coming from your mouth. If you have any of the symptoms mentioned and you're still not convinced if you grind your teeth, hearing it will give you the evidence that you need. Teeth grinding noises are faint, but when you drift off to sleep, have your partner listen for them. They can come in waves or they can come and go. Once you hear them, you'll know exactly what it is. Teeth grinding is a very dangerous stress habit that can impact your overall oral health and wallet. By wearing a night guard, you are protecting yourself and your bank account. These custom-fitted night guards from SportingSmiles are the exact ones you would receive from your dentist, but without the hassle of an in-person visit, and they will be typically half the cost. By wearing these comfortable, non-intrusive guards, you're adding a very durable layer of protection to your teeth that can take the maximum grinding or clenching. You can sleep peacefully at night knowing that if you are a teeth grinder, your teeth are fully protected. We've discussed on how to know if you grind your teeth at night, and if you are suffering from any of these three symptoms, take the time to look for the others. If you do discover that you are a teeth grinder, order a night guard from SportingSmiles. It's the best protection that you can provide for your smile. If you're interested in browsing our night guards, all you have to do is click the link below.